Let's go through the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have cucumber, sea salt, avocados, tomatoes, and jalapenos. Now take a bowl, take 2 avocados, cut them and take out the pulp. Mash the pulp. Now take a cucumber and cut it in thin circular shapes. Cucumber, as we all know, has a high water content and is very low in calories. Take 8 to 10 tomatoes and cut them in half. Mix everything. Avocado is rich in fiber, good for gut, good for skin, regulates cholesterol, and is rich in vitamin E. Add salt to taste. Mix it. The star ingredient here is jalapenos. You can add as much as you like. Mix it up. - 100 grams of avocado contains almost 158 kilocalories. If you have liked this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.